Title and copyright Philip F. Yuan, Hua Chai, Chao Yan, Neil Leach, editors. Proceedings of the 2021 Digital Futures. The Third International Conference on Computational Design and Robotic Fabrication, CDRF 2021. Open Access. Springer. Proceedings of the 2021 Digital Futures. Philip F. Yuan, Hua Chai, Chao Yan, Neil Leach, editors. Proceedings of the 2021 Digital Futures. The Third International Conference on Computational Design and Robotic Fabrication, CDRF 2021. Springer. Editors, Philip F. Yuan, College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tongji University, Shanghai, China. Chao Yan, College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tongji University, Shanghai, China. Hua Chai, College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tongji University, Shanghai, China. Neil Leach, College of Architecture and Urban Planning, Tongji University, Shanghai, China. ISBN 978-981-16-5-982-9. ISBN 978-981-16-5-983-6, ebook. https://doi.org/10.1007/978-981-16-5983-6. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2022. This book is an open access publication. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License, http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/, which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source. Provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Singapore Private Limited. The registered company address is 152 Beach Road, number 21201, 04 Gateway East, Singapore 189721, Singapore.